Hello my lovelies, welcome back to Fahima's world. I hope you're all happy and glowing like me. Hope everybody is shining and looking as beautiful. You guys know I always hype myself like that. Every time I'm going to do a skincare video, I'm always happy and very excited. So today's video is going to be a review about a skincare product that has been in the market for a while. A lot of people are hyping it. Everyone is talking about it. I'm seeing it all over Instagram. Many people are buying it and saying it really works. It gives you a glowing skin. A lot of people are posting about it and the adverts are hyping it. So I was like, Fahima, you need to buy this cream, try it out and tell your subscribers how good it is. And if it's not working, you still need to tell your subscribers. So I ran to my beauty store and landed my hands onto that cream, the Vaseline Healthy Bright Daily Brightening Even Tone Lotion. This one, guys, many people have been talking about this cream, and you know, I tend to be very conservative when it comes to changing lotions. I love to stick to one product for some time, but these days, because I love to do these reviews, I always make sure I try out something before I come and tell you about it. Okay, I don't lie over here on this channel. I don't tell you about anything until I use it myself. So everything I tell you, you know, Fahima has tried it out and she's telling us the truth. Okay, so this Vaseline, they say it's supposed to give you a visibly bright and radiant skin within 2 weeks. You guys, 2 weeks. Okay, so first of all, let me tell you my experience, okay, of what happened when I tried it out, okay, so that you can know before you buy it if you want to spend your money on it or no. Okay, the first time I opened this cream, the first impression was how incredibly good it smells. I really love the scent. Okay, it's very good. It smells so good, just so you know. And it's pink color from inside. You guys can see from over here, the cream is not white like most of the lotions. It's pink color from inside. I love the bottle. Okay, and it's easy to apply. You just need to press over here and it will start coming out. Okay, so what happened the first day I put it on my skin? To be honest, I was a little bit disappointed. You know, first time experience. When I applied it on my legs, it did not go into the skin immediately. I'm the type of woman who loves to glow. So I'm used to having a lot of lotions that dissolve immediately into my skin and I can see the glow right away. But this lotion, okay, when you apply it onto your body, it doesn't go into the skin immediately. You guys see what happens? Like, okay, I have to use my hand. Okay, this is I put quite a lot, but you guys can see that when you apply it, it doesn't dissolve into the skin immediately. It looks like it leaves a white mark onto the skin. Okay, unlike other lotions, for example, when I'm using like Jergens, okay, and Nivea, all those go inside my skin immediately and I can realize that my skin is glowing right away or shiny. But this is a very big bottle that I bought. I wasn't going to throw it away just because I'm seeing that it's a little bit different from most of the lotions we know. I don't know if the company that made it intentionally made it one of the effects that it has, that it will stay like that on the skin. So let me show you guys what I did, how I'm using it to realize effectiveness. I remembered that I still have my Cocoa Radiant Body Oil. So I was like, okay, I'm going to mix these two together and see if there is gonna be any difference. Okay, so I got my empty bottle. This it had a jelly inside, but it's done. So I put here a little bit of this, okay, and a little bit of this, and I have been using this on my body. So I want to show you guys the difference, okay? Like what happens when you use the mixed one, okay? This is what happens, and this is what works for me. I love to glow. I don't want my skin to look pale. So when you guys look right now, you can see that one of my hands is a little bit pale and one hand is having a glow right away, because this is a mixture of the body oil and this is the plain, okay? This is the plain Vaseline lotion. This is the one mixed with the body oil, okay? So this is the effect I always want. Any cream I buy, it has to give me this effect or I will not use it at all. So to gain this effect, I had to mix the Vaseline Cocoa Radiant body oil with the lotion, okay? So that is how I'm using it currently, and you can use it also alongside your Vaseline, okay? You can after applying this and you still need to glow, or you still need you just don't like how it looks on your hand or your whole body, just take a little bit of Vaseline or any other body oils, the coconut oils, the olive oils, whatever is accessible to you. I believe it's going to work out perfectly. So that is how I'm using it currently, and I recommend that you guys use it the way I'm using it. If you want to see good results, use it together with this or alongside a body jelly and other body oils. So let's talk about the results. They are saying that this cream will give you results in only 2 weeks, girls. 2 weeks. They said you'll be able to realize visibly radiant skin within 2 weeks. And did that happen for me? Oh yeah, girl, it did. This cream is really working. My areas of focus when I bought this cream, for me to be able to realize if it will tone my skin, I really focused on my hands, okay, my elbows, because those are the parts that tend to be a little bit darker. They are not usually well toned with the rest of the body parts. And I also focused on my my knees, okay? So I've been applying a lot of this cream around my knees, my elbows and my hands, okay? And to be honest, you guys, it really does work. I can see some results. My knees look a little bit brighter than they were before, and you guys can see my fingers. My fingers look pretty nice. I don't have knuckles, okay? So for people who are trying to heal from like skin bleaching, if you used to bleach your skin, girl, and you need your skin to go back to its natural color, these are some of the creams you need to use. If you have knuckles and you don't want to go around buying tubes and strong things to remove your knuckles, you can be applying this slowly on top of your fingers like this. I believe within a few weeks you'll see that your hands are going to look very toned, okay? But now again, I'm bringing my hands closer to the screen, okay? You can see very well. Knuckles where, okay? There may be a little bit of darkness, but obviously it's not knuckles, okay? My hands look very toned, okay, because of this cream, okay? So go ahead and buy it. It's really nice. I recommend it 100%. Buy it. It's affordable. Dubai price where I live, I got this at 40 dirhams, or I don't know how much is that in dollars. You can Google it, okay? Ask Google how much is 40 dirhams in dollars or Kenyan shillings or Ugandan shillings, wherever you are. Google it and see how much you can get it in your country currency. And I haven't seen any bad side effects so far, so I recommend this cream 100%. For those of you who want to try it out, go ahead. It's very much worth the hype. I have used it, so trust me, everything I'm saying in this video is out of experience. Okay, thank you guys for watching. I really love you all so much. Don't forget to comment. If you need to ask me some personal questions, follow me on Instagram and slide into my DM. I'll be able to answer all your questions immediately. So thank you all for watching. I really love you all so much. See you in another video. Mwah.